to creating captivating, professional-looking video edits. Is it the music? The editing software? While both are important, there's one element that often gets overlooked: sound effects. Sound effects add depth, emotion, and realism to your videos, making your audience feel like they're right there in the moment. From subtle ambient sounds to powerful cinematic hits, these effects can completely transform your edits. In today's video, I'm giving you thousands of high-quality sound effects for free. Whether you're making action-packed scenes, emotional vlogs, or creative edits, this pack has everything you need to level up your content. Don't miss out. Like, subscribe, and check the first comment to download your free sound effects pack today.